2826 Cool Water. This has been a successful floor plan and also community for us. I actually have a unit on this street with the same floor plan. So it's nice that we already have the desert scaping in the front. Might want to trim this tree away from the roof a little bit. So you can park here and here. You can park here as well. Would want to rekey this. I just read that the furnishings are available for separate bill of sale. There's a smell in the house and I don't know what it is. It's not cat odors or anything. Beautiful counters. There's actually no chips that I'm seeing right now. There's no obvious chips in the sink, which I'm a little surprised about. I usually see chips in sinks that style. We could get a gooseneck faucet, perhaps. These are some of the most upgraded cabinets that I've seen in these townhomes. And they look to be in pretty good condition. A nice full-size fridge with a space-saver microwave, even though it's black instead of white. The flooring looks to be in pretty good condition in the kitchen and the laundry area, at least. The only problem is you'd really want hard flooring in the dining area as well. Whoa, there's a car here. Okay. The walls are a little off-white. Slid open easily. I'll close that on the way back down. Okay, the walls are looking a little more yellow, but I would say 100% repaint. Changing carpet, we definitely want all the carpet to match. So probably, yeah. These are the right blinds. We have solar screens out front. Probably really helpful in this situation because that window would get a lot of sun and it might warp the blinds. Poorly laid tile, it looks like. So we may want to redo all the flooring in this property. Missing smoke detector in this room. Okay. Linen closet here. There's no light kit on this fan. These are the correct blinds. Again, carpet change. Poorly laid tile as well. Cabinet looks pretty good. The laminate's in good shape. Okay. Pretty straightforward.